guys, I have a very special unboxing for you today. As you can tell, got it all prettied up. Got my little witch's hat on. This is an unboxing of witchy products. So here's the information. Alright, so what's in the witchy box? I'm so excited, I'm so excited. I haven't had a creepy box in such a long time. I'm just so excited. Alright, the box is very prettily packed. We actually have, look at this. Inside the box, it's got a wax seal on it and everything. So pretty. Alright, so let me break the seal. I don't want to, it's too pretty. What is in here? This is the herb box, evidently. And this document actually contains the information about all the products in this box. So let's take a peek. What is this? All right. I'm going to unwrap everything and then come back to it. All right, guys, I'm back. I had to unwrap all the stuff because it is wrapped so well that it was just interfering with the quality of the video that I was going to bring you. So the first thing that I see in here is a throat chakra blend. Oh, how pretty is that? Look at this. It smells minty. All right, the next thing that I have is an energizing bath salt. Very cute. Look at this. Energizing bath salts, which I may take a witchy bath tonight. So again, let me get a little closer. This is the energizing bath salt. Very cute. This is Devotion, and it is a candle. And there's the candle. Looks like the wick got moved over to the side, or maybe that's intentional. So I will use that whenever I'm doing my little devotionals. Alright, then we have Flower Power Sugar Scrub and Flee Your Spirit lotion, and they're little tiny little containers, really cute. The next item up for grabs in this witchy container. Looks like we have some lotions here. We'll see, we'll see. Forest Fairies and Inner Goddess. Very cute. Smell. Oh, this smells really fresh. Very fresh. I like this one a lot. Forest Fairies. And then we have the Inner Goddess. Oh, this one just smells very pretty. Inner Goddess. So what else do we have here? We have another little container. It's very little, and I'm not sure what's in it. Smell. Some kind of sage? Question mark? We have this beautiful wand here, which I can just walk around with doing my spells. It's very cute though. Look, check it out. And then look at this box. It's got little butterflies. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so many little thingies in here. Look, guys. It's a nice little wooden box. It is beautiful with the butterfly cut out. And then we have all kinds of, oh, is this what this is? Yeah, so this connects with this. All right, so we have mugwort, which I know I saw in here. Mugwort. So this mugwort can be used as a smoking herb for protection and divination. It can enhance astral projection and lucid dreaming. Use herbal water made of mugwort to cleanse divination tools. Also, when mugwort is hung in a doorway, it prevents unwanted energies from passing through. Oh, was I holding it wrong? After all of that. All right, so the next one is mullein leaf, and that can protect. I want to show this so you guys can see it. Let me hold it against this card here. Mullein leaf can protect against nightmares by putting it in a sash and making it into a dream pillow. Can be substituted for graveyard dirt and spells. Oh, and can be useful in centering the spirit. And when added to a pipe, it can help with astral projection. Lovely. Next, rosemary. Here I go again with my bootleg way for you guys to be able to. Rosemary. That one is for protection, and like white candles, it's also used as a substitute when other herbs are not available. That's what my husband says with dinner too. When other herbs are not available, we use rosemary. All right, the next one is jasmine flower. Oh, this is so pretty. So, put the jasmine flower in there. And jasmine can draw spiritual love based on attraction to the soul. Also good for attracting wealth. You may burn or carry this herb, also known as quartz crystal, by placing them in a bowl of crystals. I really like this one. It's so pretty. I love jasmine. It smells witchy. The next one is, oh my gosh, the packet is so cute. The next one is alfalfa. This is the alfalfa. And it helps with prosperity, aids in growing wealth and generosity, can aid in bringing good luck. Oh, I need this. I need this. I need it. I need it. And pennyroyal. Pennyroyal. Oh gosh, I just read a little bit about this one. I'm excited. Oops. Pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is used to relieve headaches, used in healing spells and in charm bags, and helps relieve blockages of the throat chakra, helps heal the aura from addiction. I wonder if it'll help me with my Coke Zero addiction. And then finally we have mistletoe. And mistletoe. Here it is. Mistletoe is used against poisons and known to help with fertility, and used as an aphrodisiac, symbolizes love and purity. I really don't need no fertility. I'm done. All right, and all of that came in this cute box, and the bottom was lined like this. It's so cute. And then all the little items were in there thusly. It's my little herb container. Did I catch this one here? Yes, I did. It was the pennyroyal. Jam-packed with goodness, guys. All right. That was that beautiful. Okay, I put the bin wrong now that I look at the box. Beautiful little box here. Next, we have this box here. So what do we have inside this box? We have a spiritual bath blend. Put it in this. Spiritual bath blend. We have, it looks like bay leaves. see that one. Gosh, there's so much stuff in this box. Here is the meditation oil that I was talking about earlier. And what else? What else? Oh, we have, I know, cinnamon. This is the cinnamon. Oh, the moon water. I was looking forward to this. All right, so this one here. This item here is, this water has been charged by the moon. It is used in bath water or to cleanse an area. It can also be added to a spell or working to add the moon's power to your workings. This water has been charged while the moon was in Taurus. Yes, so many cute things in here. I think that was the last item in there. So we had the cinnamon, we had the moon water, we had the protection oil, we also had the meditation oil, the spiritual bath blend, and then next, oh, the bay leaves. I don't know why they don't fit back in there the same way I took them out. You guys did a good job packaging. All right, the next item that we have, it's the last item, and look at it. So what's in there? What's in there? Let's see. Candles. Candles. Which box is complete without them? Candles wrapped amazingly. So we had this box that had all of the herbs in it. We had this amazing box that had more herbs. And then I guess these were the little extras because these are not actually listed on the packaging. This is throat chakra blend. I do love this item here. Look at it, and it smells really crisp. Then we have, and look at the little tiny scoops that come. Where's the little thingy? Look at the tiny scoops that comes with. This stuff comes with a little spoon. They're so cute. Tiny little spoons to get my stuff out of there. And that was the Floral Power Sugar Scrub, and then the Free, I can't read it, Free Your Spirit Lotion. Then we had the Energized Bath Salts. I might need that tonight because I'm super tired. I don't know what the deal is. Energized Bath Salts. We had the candle. And then finally we had the two lotions, which I love the scent of, and I've rubbed them on, and they're very soft, very soft. The Inner Goddess and the Forest Fairies. This is my favorite of the two. And that's it. That's what we had today. Oh, sorry, I forgot about my wand. One cannot forget the wand. You cannot forget the amazingness of the wand. How can a witch perform without her wand? I don't know. So that's it for this very, very witchy box. And wanted to show you their card again, but I have lost it amongst all of this wonderful stuff. And of course the candles. And that's it for, it looks like, Akasha Read Workings. Akasha Read Workings. And you can find them on Facebook or Instagram. And here is their information. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I will answer questions that I have on this stuff. I'm very excited. I haven't had a witchy box in a long time, so I'm excited for this box. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.